Hey
Hi
guys,
guys.
today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4
How do you know it's for?
because I saw it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Anyways, okay, we just loaded in and then we're literally just here. Where are we?
We're in a maze.
Yeah. Okay,
You-
so M is gonna play first, which is me. I'm
Okay.
talking. Okay. Well, this is terrible. I'm bad at mazes. If you guys. Wait, what?
Oh,
Wait.
you died.
But I died just like that. Find the button.
What? That's so like easy.
No, it's not. It's not the middle place. Oh no. What? Somebody found the
It's
button. Oh yeah. Reach the Reach the bottom.
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, it's a dropper.
Oh, you can't touch them. I thought you had to jump down. Wait, that's ivy. Wait, it's going down so slowly. I have an idea for our next video.
What? The dropper.
Oh my gosh.
Oops. That's a little bit of hint for you guys.
Oh wow.
Woo! We won, guys. We won.
So you have to touch it? Okay, it's my turn next.
Okay. Oh, I played 2 rounds. Okay, so Kay's going to play 2 rounds also.
Yeah, we're each gonna play 2 rounds because 1 round is like, wait, what?
What?
We have played like 2 rounds, but it's still like 1 minute.
Of course.
Yes.
Get to the other side. Green light. Go, 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 go.
What?
Red light.
This is not fair. Like, you have to immediately stop.
It looks like Squid Game. Look, your shadows. Looks like ants.
We up here don't have shadows. Wait, look over there. Look over there.
It is your shadow. What the heck?
Oh, that. Oh my god, that's so cool.
This is like Squid Game. Green light, red light.
Yeah, everybody knows that. So, what did you say Squid Game?
Yeah, there's nothing. Go to the color shown. Green.
Wait, what? It's so.
Oh my god.
I am so bad. I've never played this game.
Okay, next round is M, and then next round again is M.
Yes, everybody knows the rules now.
And then next round is K. If you guys don't know what I mean, I'm so sorry.
So glee.
Yo, what the heck is your problem?
Sassy.
Sussy bug.
Oi!
Oh
Kids got over here.
yeah, I forgot.
You need to push that button.
Oh, green light.
Stop. I told you to.
Are you? This is rigged.
I know, right? It's like so not fair. So hard.
So rigged.
You could do. Oh, someone have a bazooka. Oh, someone died. Look at that.
Oh, their body though. You do
Wait, that's not a body.
I'm
What are that? What are they? What is that?
Okay. Oh wow, there's money. Oh, it wasn't body. It was money.
Oh,
Oh.
awesome. Take them. You can kick them. I
I
didn't
know.
kick any of them.
Because I don't know.
One something.
This actually is a very popular game for some reason.
We never.
I don't know. This game is like compared to Fish Game. This game is
Fish game? What fish game?
just another type of Squid Game, but Fish Game Roblox edition.
Oh, fish game. There's a lot of people just copying that. I don't even know.
A giant volcano. That's it.
Oh, that's mine.
Wait, this is my turn. 2 rounds each person.
Wait, what is the first one?
My first round was that green light, red light thing.
No. I will watch it again later. You don't need to move
Yes, I do. I almost got crushed.
Yep.
Ah, I got crushed. Wait, what? Okay. I did.
This is a hack. Don't you see them do it?
Hi. Hi.
Hack. Oh.
Go. Get to the water. Get to the water. You're dying.
What?
What happens if you get back out?
Oh, this place is really.
Why didn't you get out?
Nobody. Whoa! Big brain. Look at that. I don't even have hair anymore.
Oh my god.
That girl's like, oh, I'm genius. I'm just gonna step on this big-headed guy.
Avoid the
Oh.
boulders. Wait. Oh, is it my turn? Oh no. It's your turn, obviously. Because big brain isn't round.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious. Yeah.
How does people even die from this?
Nobody's dying from this.
Somebody just did.
Ah! Who was it jinx myself? So embarrassing. You meaning ah!
Oh my god,
Alright.
still big brainish. When
Alright,
will
this
we
is
stop?
cringe.
Okay.
Money.
Money. Yeah. What?
Alright, comment down below what you want us to play next.
Wait, that's it? I didn't even get 2 rounds. Oh my god, how did I? My big head. What?
You don't have a head anymore.
Oh my god, I almost fell.
The big head. Big head. Basically an easy hobby. Later, we're gonna play it like alone, and then we're gonna like play hobbies on our own laptop, and we're gonna send it at this channel too, but just we're gonna use the different Roblox account, our Roblox account.
Ooh, I'm number 2, baby. I'm number 2, babe. I'm number 3. What the heck?
No, that's just the
Oh,
name.
watch out for the mommy. Carla, it's your turn.
Oh, you didn't kill me, you cheater. Where's my mommy? Ah, yummy.
Oh my god.
So not fair.
Not fair, eh?
I want that money. That money.
I think it's fair.
Don't swear.
I did not swear. You swore.
Nobody is even. I want to play it.
Bad weather. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? What the? What?
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna zoom out for this.
Why is that thing targeting you?
Annoying. Yes, I knew it. Yes. No. No, you're not getting me, yo. I knew it. Yes, I knew it. Yes. Yes. I'm barely winning. Yes.
Oh.
Go! That was even close, honestly. I'm so good at this. Are they gonna go shot? Oh, no more black clouds.
Get ready. Oh, what's this? Fight! Fight! You have to fight! Use your gun.
Yeah!
We play big paintball for you guys as information. So get ready to get wrecked.
Why isn't this thing shooting?
It's reloading.
What the?
Oh, you just died.
I killed like 1%, and I killed a lot of percent. I mean, people like big paintball. This sound is cheating. This sound is fun.
Wait, look at the battle below.
Why?
The viewers should want to watch them. Okay, epic battle.
What? They're
Cute.
not killing each other.
Cute, lovely, and Mabel is shooting Nicole. Nicole, on the other hand, is
What?
counterattacking. Oh,
Oh, it's okay.
be careful! There are miners. Oh, mines. Oh, mine bomb.
Ah! No. Wait, no, we're not supposed to laugh at people?
Of course not. What the heck?
You almost died. Well, that's easy. Easy.
Yeah, that's way too easy.
Oh, just on yourself.
What the heck? No. I'm gonna kill myself right beside that guy. Did he die? He
You're
did.
supposed to sabotage them. You're not sabotaging them.
I'm trying. Wait, I killed him. Survive. Oh, this is so lame.
Survive the killer. Oh my god, this is so. This is so fun.
I feel like we should play another Survive the Killer because
we never become the killer.
Yeah.
I think we need to level up, level up, like up, level up. It was
Last time when we played it, it was only a 14-minute.
It's only you said only.
Yeah.
Crazy.
These people probably want. Oh, it's your turn.
Oh, it's your annual.
Fight.
Oh, that's
Fight.
not fair, you. You're idiot. Oh, that's not fair, guys. Yeah, this is not fair.
You're shooting down.
Oh, I need that. And I can't even shoot.
Oh, he died. He died. You killed him.
You're not gonna kill me, Logar.
There's only one more person.
Oh, somebody's hiding. Oh.
Oh. Wait, what? That guy left?
Itala. Yes, I got the money first, you.
On your marks. You have to get onto that running thingy.
Go, what the?
To the left or right or whatever.
What? I'm not this. They're taking all the fastness.
What, you?
Helping does not help an inch.
Helping does not help an inch.
I'm jumping. I say jumping.
You said helping.
Ew, sound like that girl.
Diamlah pentet.
Diam na buntot. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna win, you bacon head.
You're gonna be freaking last. Bacon head!
Yes. Oh man, I almost killed myself. Oh, it's our turn.
Oh yeah! Go to the color.
It's already 30 minutes.
Okay, green. Alright. What's the next one? Blue. Okay. Okay, we did it. Green.
Hey, somebody's wearing. Ew, they're.
Yo, what the heck?
Yay, we're going dating. What the? Yay, we're going dating. What? Asya? What? What?
Since when were you not innocent? What? Oh.
Yo, I am.
Oh, fight.
Using a sword.
Hi!
Like 4 point.
She barely hit me.
Alright, guys, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Thank you to
Goodbye.